In the world of cooking, the right tools can significantly impact your experience and outcomes. Among these tools, a professional knife set stands out as an essential investment for both home cooks and culinary professionals. A well-crafted knife set not only enhances efficiency but also provides precision, making your culinary tasks more enjoyable. Number 1. KUTT Professional Chef Knife Set. The KUTT Professional Chef Knife Set is an excellent choice for both aspiring chefs and seasoned culinary experts. Crafted with high-carbon stainless steel, this knife set guarantees durability and outstanding performance. The set includes a versatile 8-inch chef knife, a 7-inch santoku knife, a 6-inch utility knife, a 3.5-inch paring knife, and a pair of kitchen shears, all neatly housed in a stylish wooden block. Each knife features an ergonomic handle, designed for comfort during prolonged use, making this set a perfect companion for tackling a variety of kitchen tasks. What sets this knife set apart is not only its sharpness, but also its aesthetic appeal. The beautifully finished wooden block adds elegance to any kitchen countertop. The knives are designed to handle different cooking techniques, whether you're chopping vegetables, slicing meat, or dicing herbs. With the KUTT set, you have a complete toolkit that ensures you can achieve culinary excellence without needing to purchase additional tools. Key features: high-carbon stainless steel blades, ensures long-lasting sharpness and resistance to rust and corrosion. Ergonomic handles, designed for a comfortable grip, minimizing hand fatigue during extended use. Versatile selection, the set includes essential knives for a wide range of culinary tasks. Stylish wooden block, provides safe storage and adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. Easy maintenance, the stainless steel material is easy to clean, ensuring hygiene and upkeep. Number 2. Zwilling 3-Piece Knife Set. The Zwilling 3-Piece Knife Set is an ideal choice for those seeking a compact and efficient solution for their kitchen needs. This set includes a paring knife, a utility knife, and an 8-inch chef knife, each expertly designed for precision and ease of use. The blades are laser cut from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring they maintain their sharpness even after extensive use. This set is particularly suited for individuals who may not have the space for a larger set, but still require high-quality knives for everyday tasks. The ergonomic, soft-touch handles enhance the user experience, providing a secure grip that helps prevent slippage. This design feature is especially important for safety when using sharp knives. The Zwilling set is not only functional, but also stylish, making it a great addition to any kitchen. Whether you're peeling fruits, slicing bread, or chopping vegetables, this set covers all the essential tasks with precision. Key features: precision laser cut blades, ensures sharpness and durability, making food preparation easier. Comfort grip handles, soft touch materials reduce hand fatigue and improve safety. Compact design, perfect for small kitchens, providing essential tools without clutter. Easy to clean, stainless steel construction makes maintenance straightforward and hygienic. Affordable quality, offers professional-grade performance at a competitive price point. Number 3. Henckels 15-Piece Knife Block Set. For those serious about cooking, the Henckels 15-Piece Knife Block Set represents a comprehensive solution that covers a wide array of culinary tasks. This set includes a chef knife, bread knife, utility knife, paring knife, and multiple steak knives, along with essential tools like kitchen shears and a sharpening steel. Each knife is constructed from high-quality German stainless steel, known for its exceptional durability and sharpness. The elegant wooden block not only provides organized storage, but also adds a classic touch to any kitchen. Henckels is a reputable brand known for its commitment to quality, and this set exemplifies that ethos. Whether you're an everyday cook or a culinary professional, this set equips you with everything needed to tackle any recipe with confidence. Key features: complete knife set, 15 pieces cater to all culinary needs, from slicing to dicing and more. High-quality German stainless steel ensures exceptional sharpness and long-lasting performance. Elegant wooden block provides safe storage while enhancing kitchen aesthetics. Precision engineered, designed for optimal balance and comfort during use. Lifelong durability, backed by Henckels' reputation for quality craftsmanship. Number for Dahlstrong Gladiator Series Knife Set. The Dahlstrong Gladiator Series knife set is designed for the passionate home cook or professional chef seeking high performance and aesthetic appeal. This 7-piece set includes essential knives such as a chef knife, santoku knife, paring knife, and utility knife, all crafted from high-carbon German steel. Known for their exceptional sharpness and edge retention, these knives are ideal for tackling a wide variety of culinary tasks. In addition to their performance, the Dahlstrong knives feature a stunning design with polished handles that offer both beauty and comfort. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, allowing for more prolonged use without discomfort. Each knife is meticulously crafted to not only perform well, but also to look impressive, making them a great addition to any kitchen. The set also comes with a stylish magnetic block for safe storage and easy access. Key features: high-carbon German steel, known for its durability, sharpness, and edge retention, ensuring long-lasting performance. Ergonomic design, comfortably shaped handles reduce hand fatigue and enhance control. Stylish magnetic block offers safe and visually appealing storage for the knives. Versatile set includes all essential knives for a comprehensive culinary toolkit. Number 5. Wüsthof Classic 7-Piece Knife Set. The Wüsthof Classic 7-Piece Knife Set is a premium option for those looking to invest in quality kitchen tools. This set includes a chef knife, paring knife, utility knife, and more, all forged from a single piece of high-carbon stainless steel. Renowned for their sharpness and durability, Wüsthof knives are designed to meet the demands of both professional chefs and home cooks. The ergonomic, triple-riveted handles ensure a secure grip, making these knives comfortable to use for extended periods. Each knife is meticulously crafted in Solingen, Germany, a city famous for its knife-making heritage. This attention to detail and quality craftsmanship is evident in every blade. The set also comes with a beautiful wooden block that keeps the knives organized and easily accessible. Key features: premium quality forged blades, made from high-carbon stainless steel for durability and edge retention. Ergonomic handles, triple-riveted design provides comfort and control during use. Classic wooden block, keeps knives organized and adds an elegant touch to your kitchen. Versatile selection, includes all the essential knives for various cooking tasks. Conclusion: investing in a quality knife set is essential for anyone who enjoys cooking. Each of the knife sets highlighted in this article offers unique features tailored to different needs and preferences. Whether you're a novice cook or an experienced chef, these top 5 professional knife sets available on AliExpress will provide you with the tools necessary to elevate your culinary skills. With durable materials, ergonomic designs, and versatile options, you'll be well equipped to tackle any recipe with confidence and ease. Choose the set that best fits your style and enjoy the art of cooking like never before.